Hi friends, welcome to I Can Do Math. I'm Miss Lindsay and I am so excited to learn with you today. Before we get started, I want us to do something together that's going to help prepare our minds to learn. I want you to repeat after me. Say, I can do math. Great job. I believe that and I hope that you do too. Speaking of things we can do, our I can statement for today is I can add and subtract fractions with the same denominators. And in this video, you'll learn how to do just that. You'll learn how to add and subtract fractions that have the same denominators but different numerators. In order to do that, I want you to be listening and responding to me as you watch this video. Go ahead and press pause, grab a pencil and some paper, and let's get started. Now that we know what we're talking about today, I need your help. I had a party last night and we had so much fun and we ate so much pizza. But I want to know what fraction of a total pizza I have left over. So let's take a look at our pepperoni pizza. Remember, when we talk about fractions, fractions are a part of a whole. So we started out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices of pizza, and we have one left over. So in this case, one slice of pepperoni pizza is part of our whole pizza. So the way we would write that would be, we have one slice of pepperoni pizza out of the total number of slices, which was 8. So we would say our part, our numerator, is 1, and our denominator, or the whole, is 8. So let's take a look at our cheese pizza. If I have 3 slices of cheese pizza, what fraction of the total cheese pizza do I have left over? That's right, I have 3/8 of the cheese pizza. So if I wanted to add these fractions together, I could take this piece of pizza and move it over right here. And now I have 3/8 of my cheese pizza plus 1/8 of my pepperoni pizza to equal what fraction of a total pizza? That's right, 4/8. But what if I didn't have the pizzas in front of me and I wasn't able to just move slices over? You see, another thing that we can use when adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominators is a number line. So go ahead and get that pencil and paper you grabbed earlier, and let's draw a number line together. So my number line is going to start at 0. And the amount of tick marks I draw is going to be the same amount of parts in my whole that I was talking about earlier with my fractions. So do you remember how many parts of my whole fraction did I have in my pizza? 8, that's right. I had 8 total slices or 8 total parts of my fraction. So I'll write that as, now I have 1/8. I have 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. But remember, a fraction is a part of a whole, so 8/8 is our whole. How else could we write 8/8? 1, that's right, because it's one whole. So now we have a number line that shows each part in our whole. So now we're going to represent our cheese pizza on the number line. So let's take our cheese pizza, and up here, remember, we had 3 slices of our cheese pizza. So I can represent that on my number line by saying 1, 2, 3. Remember, we had 3/8 of our pizza, and now we're showing 3/8 on our number line by jumping by 1/8, 1/8, and 1/8. Now with our pepperoni pizza, what fraction of our pepperoni pizza did we have? That's right, 1/8. So I just jump one more time by 1/8, and that means that our cheese pizza plus our pepperoni pizza is 4/8. And that is the number we got earlier, which is awesome. So now we've just confirmed that 3/8 plus 1/8 equals 4/8. It looks like we just discovered a new math rule. Let's take a closer look at what we just did. We said that 3/8 plus 1/8 equals 4/8. What do you notice about the denominators? They're all the same. So that means the new math rule we just discovered is when adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominators, the denominator stays the same. Just add the numerators. But I'm thinking, we're talking about our math rule and our I can statement, and they're saying when we add and subtract fractions with the same denominators. But I'm looking at the work here and we haven't subtracted anything. So I think I know just the thing to use. Let's take a look at our cheese pizza. And we already said before that we have 3/8 of our total cheese pizza left over. I want to know, how much cheese pizza did we eat? What fraction of the cheese pizza did we eat at the party last night? So to subtract, let's use our math rule. We'll start with the total number of slices we started with. And remember we said that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 slices of pizza out of 8 slices of pizza. That was the amount of cheese pizza we originally started with. And we're going to subtract the fraction of cheese pizza that we didn't eat, which we already said was 3/8. So our math rule says when adding or subtracting fractions with the same denominators, the denominator stays the same. So we know that in our answer, the denominator is already going to be 8. Let's just take a look at those numerators. 8 minus 3 equals 5/8. Now, what did this number mean again? What did 5/8 represent? That's right, 5/8 is the amount of cheese pizza that we ate last night at the party. In today's video, we learned how to add and subtract fractions with the same denominators. Our math rule taught us that when we add and subtract fractions that have the same denominators, the denominator stays the same in our answer. We just add or subtract the numerators. Now I want you to have a chance to try this. So go ahead and pause the video and tell me, what is 9/12 minus 5/12? Did you get 4/12? That's correct. And if you didn't get that answer, that's okay too. You can go ahead and start this video from the beginning and watch it again. Make sure you follow all of the steps, but either way, you can do math. That's all we have time for today. I think I know what I'm gonna eat for lunch, but I will see you guys next time.